What's up guys, welcome to SuperWowStyle. This is Prachi and in today's video we're going to talk about glowing skin. You can actually use these tips and tricks throughout the year to make your skin glow and look amazing with the least possible effort, okay? So what are these amazing hacks and tips and tricks? Well, let's start with the first one, and that is skin massaging. Now guys, massaging your face with your hands, with your fingers, is just how most people go about with it. It's just how it has been done traditionally for years and years. Facials, you probably have gone for facials yourself. The reason why massaging really works is that because it improves the blood circulation. So when there's an improved blood flow because of the improved blood circulation, first of all you get a natural glow, a natural blush on your skin, and it also gets the right nutrients to your skin, so your skin actually responds much better. However, if you're too lazy to be doing that massage, because I just told you we're looking for hacks, you can actually look for facial massagers. We have so many massagers these days, and here's a hack on top of a hack that I want to share with you all. A lot of times when I'm wearing a sheet mask, I'll just put on a sheet mask and then I'll just use these massagers. It's an electric massager which I'm using here, and it just improves the blood circulation while hydrating my skin with a sheet mask, and it's just absolutely wonderful. It's also very, very relaxing. It also, by the way, helps in dealing with skin aging issues if you massage regularly. So yeah, massaging is very important. And when it comes to glowing skin, how can we not talk about Upton? Upton is India's favorite age-old remedy that actually works. So try to use Upton masks at least once or twice a week. They are very, very safe, very, very gentle. You can just prepare it at home, and everybody has their own recipe. You probably learn it from your mom, your aunt, your sister. The next hack that I want to share with you all, now this is not a hack really, it's more of a common sense thing, guys. If you have certain skin care goals, okay, your beauty products have to be aligned to those goals. Otherwise, if you're using something which is totally different, you will not get the results, right? If you want glowing skin, you need to use products which are designed for glowing skin. Now, one ingredient that I have been particularly finding to be very useful is Sika. Sika is also known as Brahmi in Hindi. It's also known as tiger grass. Why is it known as tiger grass? Because tigers in the wild, tigers when they get wounded or injured, on the skin, they roll about in Sika to kind of help heal this wound, okay? So even nature has designed animals to know that Sika is very, very beneficial. So it has these amazing skin calming, skin healing properties, and especially if you talk about skin glow, it moisturizes your skin, it makes your skin feel so pampered, so loved, it uplifts your skin, makes your skin look brighter, clearer, much better. So Sika is something which I've found to be very useful. I've talked about Sika recently as well on my channel. So a product that I've been really digging of late, which is from the brand the Dermaco. I love the brand the Dermaco, guys. It's a brand designed by dermatologists, so very safe, scientific, honest, efficient brand. I really like the brand. Plus, all of the new launches I'm noticing are fragrance free. So going to the product, this is the Dermaco 10% Sika Glow Face Serum for glowing skin. It contains Sika extract, tranexamic acid. It also contains kojic acid. The product is dermatologically tested, fragrance free, and if you see over here, sulfate free, dye free, paraben free, mineral oil free. So this is a very, very safe, very effective product, and it's the consistency is also extremely lightweight, so it doesn't feel heavy on your skin. It's more like water weight consistency, which your skin will absorb very quickly. It's just what you want from a serum, nothing that feels like you're loading up your skin with too much. So how do you use it? So actually in this range they have a face wash and a moisturizer as well. So I'll just show you how to actually layer it up with the face wash and the moisturizer as well to get the most amazing results. So this is very, very good for hydrating, moisturizing, making your skin amazing. But if you use a good face wash with Sika and a good moisturizer with Sika, you'll get much better results. So I'll just show you a quick routine with this. So I'll start by using the 2% Sika Glow Daily Face Wash for glowing skin. There's also from the same brand, the Dermaco. And after using this face wash, I'm gonna go ahead and use the serum that I was just talking about. So just take a few drops, pat it on your skin, apply it, massage it on your skin, and let your skin absorb it. It'll probably take just like a few seconds, like it's taking in my case, and that's it. After that, just seal it with a moisturizer, for which I have with me the Dermaco 5% Sika Glow Daily Face Moisturizer, once again designed for glowing skin. So all of these products are dermatologically tested and fragrance free, which makes it very, very safe. Guys, what I'll do is I will put the link for this entire range in the description box below, okay? These are available on Nykaa, Amazon, Flipkart, but if you buy directly from the dermaco.com, you can use this coupon code, which is SWS2022. That's SWS2022 for flat 20% off. And yes, you save a bit of extra money, so why not? Also, I really like this brand Dermaco. I've told you guys, right? Like the Dermaco is one of my favorite beauty brands of late, because most of my personal beauty products are also from the Dermaco. So they have also partnered with Bhumi. They have taken up something called as the Young Scientists Initiative, where they have pledged to help 10,000 plus students in 1 year. So every time you place an order with them, they will link your order to a child that they are helping educate through Bhumi, and I think that's such a great cause. So yes, great glowing skin using Sika as an ingredient, which is absolutely fabulous, guys. You start seeing a difference when you start using Sika. It's an age-old, known to be a wonderful ingredient for your skin, and now you have it in a very scientifically designed product, so why not? And like I always say, guys, whenever you're trying out anything new, please do a patch test. That's very, very important. And guys, when it comes to glowing skin, a very good idea is to start using chemical peeling solutions. So I've done a separate video on this topic separately if you've never used chemical peeling solutions. What they basically do is that, they clean up your skin really, really well. So I use a 30% AHA, 2% BHA chemical peeling solution once in 2 weeks. If you're new to it, you can start with something which is of a lesser potency and then gradually build up and start using something which is much stronger, but start using something with a lighter potency and then build it up. That's a good way of starting to use chemical peeling solutions. So overall, when your skin is cleaner, your beauty products can penetrate better, your skin actually responds to your beauty products better, your skin also starts looking better. I always say this, guys, you need to trust your body's natural healing mechanism. So when your skin is clean and you're using the right products and the right ingredients, you will obviously start seeing much better results. Chemical peeling solutions have literally changed my skincare game, and they have impacted my skin so beautifully. So if you want to check it out, I would suggest that start slow and then gradually build it up with a stronger potency product eventually, but start with something very light and you will see a difference once you start using them regularly. But don't overuse it because that's not good for you. And another thing, now this may sound like a bit of a cliche, but honestly, guys, it's so important. When you need good skin, your diet also matters, and one of the most important things in your diet is vitamin C. So I have increased my own vitamin C intake by taking vitamin C supplements. Sometimes I'll have amla juice. It varies from day to day and what kind of a day I'm having, what kind of time I have at hand. But vitamin C, having vitamin C in any form, whether it's fruit, whether it's amla, whether it's an effervescent tablet, anything, whatever works for you, start consuming vitamin C, guys. Because when your body has the right nutrition, it will impact your skin. It will show on your skin, right? And last but not the least, when you want glowing, beautiful looking skin, it's very important to start wearing a sunscreen if you aren't doing that already. So these days we have sunscreen serums, we have gel based sunscreens, we have lotion based sunscreens, cream based sunscreens. You have so many options, so pick and choose depending on what your skin is, your skin requirements are, what the weather outside is like. I'm personally loving gel based sunscreens because you can layer it up anytime you want, and they're just so easy to work with. But start wearing sunscreens if you aren't doing that already, because see, your skin cannot heal if it's constantly getting attacked by sun damage or constantly getting sun damaged. Sun damage can be very, very harsh for your skin, and it can take your skin a long time to recover from the sun damage that has been caused. So protect your skin with a good sunscreen, and that should be a very good way to go when you want glowing, beautiful looking skin. So yes, guys, that's all I want to share in today's quick video. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications, guys, and keep coming back to SuperWowStyle for more. If you have any tips and tricks of your own to share on how to get a beautiful glowing skin, please share them with me in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you guys. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell icon for notifications. Didn't I just say that? Oh my god. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Now bye bye. Bye.